Hey y'all, good evening. Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts, and we're fixing to do an awesome outdoor craft that I am in love with, okay? So I'm going to turn you down gentle so you don't get dizzy. Okay, I picked up this watering can that may be a little bit too low there. Okay. This watering can came from Walmart. It's Better Homes and Garden watering can. It's metal. It's got, you know, the wood handles. To me, very, very pretty. It was a little pricey. It was, I think, around $17. But it's going to be awesome what we're going to do. You can screw off the end here. And you can get cheaper ones, but I don't think the ends come off. So this one did come off. And let me show you. For the sake of time, I went ahead and did some of this. Some people don't like the step-by-step, and if you don't, you're welcome to fast forward through the video. Some people need the step-by-step, so let's just to accommodate everybody. It's got little bitty pinholes around in it. So I took with my little pick here, and I just went in each hole, in 3 other holes beside the middle. And I once I got it in, I just started going all the way around, making the hole bigger. Then I got me and I'm sure there's easier ways to do this, and other people can come up with genius ideas. But this is the way I did it. Then I got me a bigger screwdriver, did the same thing, and then I got up to the big boy. And I just twisted around just like this and was making my hole bigger. That's a little noisy, isn't it? But that's what I was doing. I did see this on Pinterest. It's not my idea. Somebody, I seen a picture of one. I did not see instructions, so I don't know how they did it. They probably had a better idea. That's all good. As long as I get the end result, that's all I'm worried about. So, I had ordered these several months ago and didn't really know. I thought about creating a star and putting these, they're outdoor solar little twinkle lights. And I was just going to put them outside, make a star, make something, and I love lights. So, I was going to put them out there. But, y'all, I saw this and I could not resist. I got these off of Amazon. It just says string lights. Light up your life. I didn't see really a name brand. This is made in China. But I had ordered 2 in a pack. The same thing. Huh. Maybe I do. I still ordered 2 in a pack. This is them. It's the same company. So there's the other one. It's in there. So, but it comes like this, all gathered up. Okay, so I took it, because it's all one strand from right here, I took it and went down, folded it, come back up, and I made 4 loops, different lengths, and I twisted each string. Now, here at the end, I didn't know how I was going to do this, so I finally figured out I'm just going to twist it here on the very end. And then we're going into the watering can, and I'm going to feed these up through here. When I tried to do it one by one, it didn't work. So I had to come up with an idea of how to get those through there without getting stuck. So that was my way of doing it, was just to tie it together. So let's see, y'all. I haven't got approved to go live on YouTube yet, but as soon as I get approved, I'll be doing lives on YouTube. So this is pre-recorded. I've had people asking me, I miss your live. I go live on Facebook right now, and I will be going live on YouTube as soon as they approve me. So y'all be a little patient with me, and I'll get there, because I love to talk and see everyone, see who's talking to me while I'm doing crafts. And with these being different lengths, I'm trying to just straighten them out in here. Okay, so my idea was, let's see here. We're going to undo this. Now, I didn't undo this before because I didn't want more string and more wires going everywhere. Okay. So y'all probably already see what it's going to be, and it's going to be so pretty. All right, I've got it here to the end. And I just took, when I folded it here, you can see I've got little zip ties to keep them folded up here at the end. I just put little zip ties. So now I'm going to stick that right there. And this comes with a little stand. And I might even, I'm going to take this outside with us as a zip tie, just in case it doesn't reach to the ground. I'm going to have a zip tie. Okay. Now the fun part. This is the part I couldn't get done before I showed y'all, because I had to get through this step to get to the next step. Okay, so one strand at a time. This may take a minute or two, but bear with me. So I don't want to bust the little lights. So we'll try to make it quick as possible. And I just tried to kind of judge the hole being big enough that these little lights could go through. And they're coming at an angle, so it had to be a little bit wider. So okay, that didn't take as long as I thought it was going to. So let's go through another hole here. The other day when I was testing it, it wasn't going through that easy. So I'm thankful that it is. I don't know which one of these is longer. I think the other one's longer, so I'll put it through the middle. All right, let's find another hole here. Hope everyone is having a great evening. I was really hoping to go live on YouTube, but see, I'm not quite qualified yet, so we're going to get there. But make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so that you get notification. You have to allow YouTube to send you notifications every time I post a new vehicle. Y'all, I have tried to say vehicle so much. Video. Oh, goodness. Get tongue-tied here. All right. One more. And we're going to walk outside and see this in the dark. And I waited till nighttime to do this so that I could see it outside. And see, this is the very end. So I'm just going to take it and twist it a little bit tighter there. Y'all, I've got a chair down here and it's got a roller on it, and it's getting these things up on it. Okay. Y'all get to see more of this messy craft studio. Okay, so that's tight. And do I have pockets? How about that? I can take some wire cutters. And I'll actually take 2 of these. 3. All right. Okay. I'm gonna lift you up. Okay, so maybe I won't wobble you too bad and get you dizzy and drunk. Ooh, but that's a close-up. Okay, so it got a little bit in the dark and so my lights are coming on. Okay, we're gonna go out here. Oh, y'all hang on. Okay, I have motion lights out here, so they may actually kick on. I'm shocked they didn't. They did a while ago. There they are. Yep, there they are. Okay. Y'all know I like lights. Look at there. It's a rain tree that I got for Christmas. I bought them, and this may get a little dark for a moment. And I'll show y'all the chandeliers. I've had some requests that they wanted to see the outdoor chandeliers at night. So this is a perfect time. I'm gonna sit this camera down and lift you up. So I'm out here at in my backyard, and I have a shepherd's pole. Let's see, I was gonna do it by the side handle, but then I tried the top handle, and you can actually tilt it to where it looks like water coming out. Now, let me back you up a little bit. Make sure you're not gonna hit the ground here. Look how amazing. I love it. Now, these lights have a switch on them to where you can actually make them twinkle, or at a fast twinkle, a slow twinkle. But look how cute. I just love it. And I'm gonna have to get the solar panel out, because I want it to be able to be in the sun. And you know, I didn't think about this, but I can actually hang this right here on the shepherd's pole. And I can finish that in the morning. But I wanted y'all to see it at night because it's just really so pretty. And I have it right here. Let me go on the other side so I'm not blocking your view. That would be a good idea, wouldn't it? I got a little rose bush here, and so it's just gonna look like it's water in it, like water cascading down. I'm just loving it. So let me see here. It's kind of hard to get y'all in the right picture. There we go, baby. So see how it's cascading down? I just love it. Just love it. Okay. While we're out here, I have a booger light. Let's see. Right there. So they may not seem as bright, but these solar lights, if you get the brighter ones from Walmart, it just depends on how many aluminums you get to how bright they're going to be. But I think they put out a pretty good amount of light, and I did use 4. So this is one chandelier that I have there, and then I have a second one here. So they do give off good light, and it would be brighter if I didn't have the booger light over there. But we live way out in the country. So, and y'all, my little light on my table, that solar light, I think it's got Christmas lights in it, because every once in a while it'll blink. The 2 small ones, I'm just taking y'all on a nightly tour. This is one of the small ones that I have hanging. And then there's another small one. Y'all, I live in South Mississippi, and the humidity is so thick that you feel like you can cut it with a knife. So my hair is really looking rough tonight, because I've been outside. This is my weeping willow tree that I got at Christmas time. I thought it was so pretty, and I'm going to go in there and paint the pole to make it look like it's bark. But okay, we've seen the chandeliers, and I'll let you see one more time the cascading flower pot, or watering can is what it is. How pretty. Let's see, we'll get around this way.
It ain't Christmas, Santa Claus ain't coming.
Oh, y'all, that's my husband. Okay, we're gonna get back in here. I don't think you'll be able to see the last little light that we made, the little solar lamp. Because the light, I think, is too bright on it. But it is shining. And it's next to my little birdhouse. So, okay, y'all. And sometimes I don't talk real loud, so some told me that I needed to talk louder. So I'm sorry. Okay. We're back inside now. Humidity, hair, and all. So, y'all have a wonderful night. I hope you like this craft. Let me know in the comments what you thought about it and if you're going to try it. Thank y'all. I love you all. And until next time, get to crafting and let me know how you changed it up to make it your own. Good night, y'all.